putting a slight Parmesan cheese on top. Yes guys, daily vlogs with Vidish, and I had a little bit of shrimps in the fridge and I decided to try to make some garlic butter shrimp. I don't know. I just normally buy this with a lime in the minibar and it tastes so simple but yet fabulous. So I just add a little salt, black pepper. So I'm making this for me and the kids to eat with bread, right? I'm trying to keep it powder seasoning. This is some onion powder. I don't want to go too heavy on the onion powder because I do see no onion in it. Going a little heavy on the garlic because it's garlic butter shrimp, right? Going a little heavy on the garlic. I like adobe. I think adobe will get a nice adobe. Is adobe? This is sazon, sorry. Sazon. I like sazon. Sazon get a little hard in the bottle, boy. Wow, I lit it up. Just so. Alright, a little bit of sazon. One thing I'm missing is paprika, but I don't think I have any, right? So I'm small turn. I'm trying to record and shape at the same time. This is foreign shrimp, most likely it's foreign shrimp, but it's in the bush. So the main thing is extra garlic, because I like the garlic taste for the butter, right? So I think this is looking good. This is a quick meal in the evening, right? I'm just going to do a little toast bread, and you dip in and eating something nice and quick. Check it out. So guys, I the wok here on low heat. That's the butter there. That's Kerrygold. It's good butter. Remember it's butter shrimp, right? Garlic butter shrimp. Take my time and it melts nice. Smell amazing already. So, what I have here now, I just have some pimentos and some more garlic. I didn't put too much of pimentos because the kids are going to take a little dip too, right? Check it out. So this guys, I have some very low heat. Trying to make the oil, the butter infused with the garlic. I don't know how this will come out there, but I just like to experiment. I'm not using any really local seasoning. Most I might add is a little scythe, because I realize when you buy things in the restaurant, they really use local seasoning. And for some reason, we love it. And we pay more money for it. So very low heat. Very, very low heat. So the garlic looking real nice. Our the pimentos, I got it big. Find this look a little more pretty. Looking amazing, smelling amazing. I don't want the butter burn, so I want to add the shrimp. Time for the shrimp, guys. Come in the butter burn, so very low heat. Nice. I add salt and the sazon and stuff, so I could always taste back for all salt, but this is a real simple meal that I just buy, I never make, and it tastes amazing with toast bread. I just eat the shrimp and I just dip the sauce with the toast and eat it when I buy it. I'm gonna spread it out, let it take your time. I'm gonna start the toast and bread on the toaster. So guys, I have a bit of white wine. Just gonna add a little bit. And I'll raise the heat. And when the wine burn out, then I will look at the heat. Check it out. Try a drop again. Nice. A little bit of scythe. Get a little toast. Pretty. Will you eat it? I don't know. Time for the big plating, guys. Wow. If you smell this, Is there something different from your regular pepper shrimp? My God. Creating a slight Parmesan cheese on top. Just to make it look a little pretty. Nice. Some nice toast. Now you can add a little garlic spread to your toast if you like, but I tell you, the butter sauce here is everything. And just to end the tour off, a little bit of parsley. Make sure you spray it on the edge of the plate so this looks pretty. On top of the bread. Everywhere. Let's check it out, guys. Nice piece of bread. Maybe somebody nice garlic. Check it out. My God. A piece of butter. Check that out. I'm gonna taste it. Try the bread. Guys, it's not must try. Must try. I think I'll get it just like Gladys bite. I'm gonna try one of these shrimp. Now we can add pepper to this, right? But I didn't do it because of the kids, right? So I want to try shrimp. Put a piece of pimento. Can't go wrong. Let me try this. Wow. That was the end of the daily vlogs of videos, guys. Quick meal, can't go wrong. I'm gonna guys. Try this. Now we out. Bye bye.